let's draw our cicada together. We want our cicadas to look magical, so I'm starting with a blue texture to draw the round oval head. I'm just leaving a little gap for where I'm going to put those eyes in. Add a long oval body coming down from the head. And I'll add in these front two legs. Then the two middle legs. And finally the back legs. Now it's time to add those wings. I'm going to change colour with texture. So I'm going to choose something different and I've gone for a purple. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to catch up on any of the segments. Because this is a magical cicada, I'm going to choose a really wild colour scheme. So I'm going to go inside every single segment that we've drawn and just do an outline of a colour, and then I'll move on to my next colour. But I'd like to cut mine out. I'm going to glue this rainbow cicada with a couple of other magical friends on some black cardboard. Their colours really stand out on this black background.